brownies. So the ingredients you need are the powder for it, 1/4 of a cup of water, and then 1/3 of a cup of vegetable oil, and 1 egg. You can use a whisk. I'm using a giraffe whisk. And you can also need a spoon. And then you need the pan. And then of course the bowl. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna get started, and I'm going to pour the powder in. Then you dump the powder in. This is just regular brown. And so yeah, now I'm gonna put the water in. And I am 6 years old. 6.5, almost 7, if you guys were wondering how old I was. I'm gonna put this in. This is just regular brownies, if you're wondering. This was for real brownies. That's pretty good. So you guys are gonna be back. We're gonna be back after we're done mixing. Alright, so we just got it done mixing and we're back. So we're gonna put this into the pan. Try to make sure it's even. Hi guys, so we're back and I'm gonna scrape it so it's even, and then we're gonna put it in the oven. That looks pretty even. Right, so and bake. So we're gonna let you guys go while we bake. So, hello guys. So we're back, and so the oven's ready to get out. So I'm gonna put my oven mitts on. Make sure you have oven mitts. So make sure you wear oven mitts when you're baking now. Hi guys, so our brownies are finally done. They cooled off, and my dad's gonna come in and be my taste tester. So I'm gonna hand him a brownie, and then he'll let us know if it's good. Here he is, he's a tiger.
They're great.